Tokyo is a paradise for hobbyists, and today we're visiting one of its hidden gems, KYOSHO Village. If you love mini cars, RC models, or just cool collectibles, this place is a must visit. Let's go check it out. KYOSHO Village is a specialty shop run by KYOSHO, one of Japan's top brands for radio-controlled cars and mini vehicles. The moment you walk in, you're hit with shelves packed with high-end models, rare parts, and even some exclusive items. Whoa, this place is like a toy car heaven. KYOSHO is famous for their 110 and 118 scale RC cars. From drift machines to off-road monsters, they've got everything. Bodies, motors, tire, you name it. Now, these minis cars are KYOSHO's claim to fame. They're small, but they're fully functional RC cars with realistic handling. Check this out. They've got collaboration models with Lamborghini, Porsche, and even some anime-themed cars. And some of these are Japan exclusive, worth every yen, maybe. If you're into RC cars or just love mini vehicles, KYOSHO Village is a dream spot. The selection is insane, the staff is super helpful, and honestly, I might need a second job to fund my new addiction. Thanks for coming along. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more Tokyo adventures. See you next time.